Well, hello and happy Thanksgiving, everyone. To those of you in the US and in Canada that celebrate Thanksgiving the way we do here. And I know other countries celebrate something similar at different times and that stuff. But just wanted to share a few things that I'm thankful for. The support of my wife and my family and my son and all the blessings that come along with that. It's a lot of fun and the continued support of my channel and the model community and everything I do and receive from that, which is great and a lot of fun for me and watching this channel grow and all the support and comments and likes. I really appreciate it. I'm just kind of showing a little bit of what I'm working on and what's going on and what I plan to do with some of these. But my son really wants to do this Ecto one, so I primed it and trying to do it nice, but he wants to build it up in a few hours and play with it. So that one's kind of going, but I shot primer on that and then the two cutlasses, and haven't shown most of these on the channel. Working a little bit on the Shelby and my Grand Sport here that I have shown. Another Corvette that I'm playing with on the channel. And like this one, just trying to decide if I'm going to go with this color on this or order the paint. But I'm just enjoying some modeling time, and I hope you guys get to and enjoy some modeling time as well this holiday weekend and spend time with your friends and family and count your blessings and realize what you've got going on in your life and what's to be thankful for. And that's great. And I'm sure you guys are going to be stuffed with your turkey or ham or traditional, Thanksgiving meals. I'm looking forward to mine. But I'm going to be working on some of these and just having some fun. And I hope you guys are too. So thank you for all your support, your comments, and your likes and everything. I really do appreciate it. You guys, you have a wonderful weekend. And I'll see what I get up for this weekend. So this really isn't much of a teaser, but just, a happy Thanksgiving to all and enjoy the holidays and spend some time, some good quality time with your friends and family and doing what you love. For me, that's, anything automotive and spending time with my family and sharing these videos with you. So thank you. And you guys, you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you this weekend.